Hello everyone and welcome! I'm so excited to have you here today. Today we're talking about a topic that sparks so much joy for me, self-care. It's something that we all need but often overlook in our busy lives. Just like we cherish and care for our most prized possessions, we must also cherish and care for ourselves. Self-care is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for our mental and physical well-being. It's about taking those moments to recharge and reconnect with our inner selves, creating a sense of peace and happiness. Whether it's a few minutes of meditation or a walk in the park, these small acts can make a big difference. Now, I understand that self-care can sometimes feel like a luxurious indulgence, something that requires a lot of time and money, but that's not always the case. I truly believe that self-care can be simple, affordable, and accessible to everyone. You don't need to spend a fortune to take care of yourself. In this video, I want to share with you 10 of my favorite self-care ideas that won't break the bank. These are activities that you can do with minimal cost but maximum benefit. These are simple practices that you can easily incorporate into your daily life, bringing you joy without emptying your wallet. Let's begin this journey to a happier, healthier you. Close your eyes and imagine this: a steaming bath filled with fragrant essential oils, enveloping you in a warm embrace. The steam rises gently, carrying with it the soothing scents of lavender and chamomile, creating an atmosphere of pure tranquility. Soft music playing in the background. Doesn't that spark joy? The gentle melodies blend seamlessly with the natural sounds around you, enhancing the sense of peace and relaxation. Taking a bath is more than just cleansing your body. It's about creating a sanctuary for your mind and spirit. Imagine the flicker of candles casting a warm glow, and the delicate petals of flowers floating on the water's surface. Even a few drops of essential oil like lavender or chamomile can transform your bath into a spa-like experience. These natural elements not only soothe your senses but also nourish your skin, leaving you feeling rejuvenated. Remember, self-care isn't about grand gestures, but about those little moments that bring peace and happiness. It's in these simple acts of kindness to yourself that you find true relaxation and contentment. So, take a moment, breathe deeply, and let the serenity of a relaxing soak wash over you. Our thoughts and emotions, like our belongings, need a place to be sorted and organized. This is where journaling comes in. A simple notebook and pen are all you need to start this journey of self-discovery. Write about your day, your dreams, your worries. Let it all flow freely onto the page. This act of releasing and reflecting can be incredibly therapeutic, bringing a sense of calm and clarity. Nature has this incredible ability to soothe our souls and fill us with a sense of wonder. Step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and feel the sun on your skin. Take a walk in the park, listen to the birds singing, or simply sit under a tree and observe the beauty around you. Nature's embrace is a gift, freely available to all of us. In a world filled with constant noise and distractions, finding moments of stillness is essential for our well-being. Mindfulness and meditation are practices that help us cultivate this inner stillness. Find a quiet space in your home, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing can make a world of difference, bringing a sense of calm and clarity. Books have this magical ability to transport us to different worlds, introducing us to new perspectives and sparking our imaginations. Visit your local library or browse your bookshelf for a book that calls to you. Curl up in a cozy spot, let go of your worries, and get lost in the pages of a good book. It's a wonderful way to relax, escape, and nourish your mind. Who says you need to go to a fancy spa to pamper yourself? Create a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Light some candles, put on relaxing music, and treat yourself to a DIY facial, manicure, or hair treatment. Use ingredients you already have in your kitchen, like honey, yogurt, or oatmeal, for a natural and affordable spa experience. Moving our bodies is not just about physical health, it's about feeling good, both inside and out. You don't need a gym membership to reap the benefits of exercise. Find free workout videos online, go for a run in your neighborhood, or simply dance to your favorite music in your living room. Embrace movement and feel your energy and mood soar. Cooking is not just about nourishment, it's about creativity, experimentation, and the joy of creating something delicious from scratch. Choose a new recipe that sparks your interest, gather affordable ingredients, and let the cooking begin. The process of chopping, stirring, and seasoning can be incredibly therapeutic, and the end result, a delicious meal, is a reward in itself. Just as we declutter our homes to create a sense of peace and order, we can also declutter our minds and hearts. Take some time to reflect on what no longer serves you, negative thoughts, limiting beliefs, or even clutter in your physical space. Let go of what weighs you down, creating space for positivity and joy to flow in. Human connection is a fundamental human need, essential for our well-being and happiness. Reach out to your loved ones, spend quality time together, and nurture those relationships that bring you joy. Share a meal, have a heartfelt conversation, or simply enjoy each other's company. These moments of connection are priceless and essential for our well-being. These 10 self-care ideas are simple yet powerful reminders that taking care of ourselves doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. In fact, some of the most effective self-care practices are those that cost little to nothing and can be done in the comfort of your own home or in the beauty of nature. It's about those little moments of joy, those small yet meaningful activities that bring a smile to your face and a sense of peace to your heart. Those intentional acts of kindness towards ourselves, like taking a few minutes to breathe deeply, write in a journal, or simply enjoy the beauty around us. These small acts can make a world of difference in our overall well-being and happiness. I encourage you to try incorporating these practices into your daily life. Whether it's a morning yoga session, a walk in the park, or reading a book under a tree, these moments can help you reconnect with yourself and discover the joy they bring. You'll find that these simple activities can have a profound impact on your mood and outlook on life. Remember, self-care is not selfish. It's an act of self-love. It's about taking the time to nurture yourself so that you can be the best version of yourself. It's an act of self-love, allowing us to show up as our best selves for ourselves and for others. When we take care of ourselves, we are better equipped to take care of those around us. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video has sparked some joy and inspired you to prioritize your own well-being. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more joy-sparking content. Until next time, take care. Remember, self-care is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring and finding what works best for you. And always make time for those little moments of joy. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more joy-sparking content. Until next time, take care.